It has been requested to show how do you remove the Ecobee thermostat off of the wall. Now, I didn't think this was that big of a deal when I did the video about the Ecobee thermostat a good time ago, but some people were like, yeah, we kind of want to know how to remove the thermostat from the wall. This particular video will be doing that. My name is Kenny, and I run Robinson Handy and Technology Services based in Montgomery, Alabama, where I do home improvement projects for not only myself, but for others. Now, about the Ecobee thermostat. So years ago, I installed the Ecobee thermostat at my home, and I still have it now. Some people have left comments was like, yeah, I came here to see how to remove the Ecobee thermostat. And somebody else was like, yeah, me too. And it's like, okay, I get the point. Let's make a video about how to remove it. All right, so first things first, let's go over to the air handler. Here's the air handler for my house, and next to it, there is a switch like this one here. It looks like a wall switch. This switch gives power to the air handler as well as the furnace, which is this part down here, and the AC coil, whole system here, if you will. So, first things first, turn this switch off. Now, if you have an Ecobee thermostat, when you turn this switch off, the Ecobee thermostat will go dark. Let's go over now to the thermostat. Here we are at the thermostat, and as you see, touch it, nothing is happening. It is completely black. All right, to remove this thermostat, you grab it around the sides here, and then you pull. And you don't need to use your superhero strength to pull it off. Just pull it enough and it'll start coming off, and then you can ease it off the rest of the corners. There are 4 tabs, one on each corner. So you kind of see an indentation right here, a little bit. And then there's 2 on the bottom, one here and one here, that correspond to the tabs that are on the thermostat itself, one in each of the corners. As you see there, the other one down there is under my thumb. All right, and so that's how you remove it. Now, to reinstall the Ecobee thermostat, after you have removed it and done whatever else that you need to do, you will then point it back up here. Make sure that the Ecobee logo, as you see down here, is at the bottom, is in the correct direction, because last thing you want to do is to install this upside down. If you do install it upside down, you'll get some weird, if not bad, results. And you literally just slide it on to the connection there. You may have to wiggle it a little bit to get the pins on it lined up, but do not force it, because if you force it and bend the pins, well, you may render the thermostat unusable. So line it up until it starts sinking in there. So kind of show you. So I don't have it lined up right now, and I kind of wiggle it just a little bit, mind you, not applying any force to get it on there. All right, and there it is. It just slides on. And then you give it a push, 1 good or 2 good pushes, and it should stay on there once it's aligned. Now we will go back to the air handler. Back at the air handler, as you see, yet again, the switch is still in the off position. You will now flip the switch up and your system will power up. It may have a startup routine associated with it. It may not. And then you can also go back and check the Ecobee thermostat. And if you have done everything correctly, you will see some sort of animation, words, or something of that nature here as the thermostat does this startup sequence. Now, for context, the Ecobee thermostat does not have a battery. That means once you turn the furnace off, this should be dark. It will not keep running on its own. Now, this is the Ecobee 3 Lite thermostat, and previous generations of the Ecobee thermostat did not have batteries. Future generations may or may not have them, but for context, this does not. So when the power goes out, it goes off. And that is how you remove or, take it off of the wall and reinstall a Ecobee thermostat. If you have any questions or comments or even suggestions for future videos, drop them down below, because I enjoy hearing from the people and wanting to be able to provide content that you are actually interested in. Also, please be sure to subscribe if you have not already. Give me a thumbs up and check out the website, rhtservices.net, for more home improvement suggestions, tips, and ideas. See you in the next video.